Hello mga ka-squad. Jason Padua here, 24, your friendly neighborhood graphic designer from Camarines Norte. Working at Digitrend Sales and Services and super excited to share my day with you guys in my very first vlog. Sana ma-appreciate nyo. Voice pala gamit ko, hehehe.
What?
Gising, kape agad. Di pwede yun no? Tipong, kape parang pag-ibig, ang sarap sa umpisa, pero pag sobra, sakit ng ulo. Haha. Tapos, ligo na para fresh. Pero to be honest, hindi ako breakfast person. Kape lang talaga. Kayo? Ano ba kinakain nyo pag gising? Para sa akin, minsan, kape lang, busog na. Parang buhay din, minsan simpleng saya, okay na. Siyempre na hindi pwedeng umalis ng bahay nang hindi kinikiss yung anak ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, anak, babalik agad si Papa. Hindi tulad ng iba, bigla na lang nawawala, walang paalam. Family time is important, kahit busy. Sakay na ng motor papuntang work. Parang sabi nga nila, life's a highway, drive it like you own it. Pero ingat ha, joke. Pero seriously, drive safe always. Pagdating sa opisina, time in agad. Time is gold,
Check it out.
diba? Kaya dapat, hindi nasasayang.
Nice.
So, graphic designer ako. Gumagawa ako ng designs for tarpaulins, plaques, posters, at iba pang printing materials. Dito sa Camarines Norte, kami ang nagbibigay ng creative touch sa mga events, businesses, at personal projects.
Great!
Check out some of my work. Tarpaulins for birthdays, weddings, and business promotions, plus designs for plaques for recognition events. Ang saya makita yung masaya ng mga kliyente. Parang, success feels like a really cool tarpaulin, you know? Visible and vibrant.
Wow!
Tapos na, yung mga layout tasks ko, kaya edit na lang ng endorsement video for the shop. Para naman walang tigil ang mga machines namin. Editing is like life. Needs smooth transitions. Kapag nagka-glitch, restart na lang.
Yeah, boy.
And aside from being a graphic designer, I also do freelance work as a computer, laptop, and cell phone technician. If your gadgets are acting up, hit me up. Kaya kong ayusin. From troubleshooting to replacing parts. Broken gadget? Don't panic. Baka kaya pang buhayin, parang mga broken hearts.
Sana all.
Need a design? Just message me. You can also visit Digitrend Sales and Services for your sublimation printing needs. And if your gadgets are giving you a hard time, don't hesitate to reach out. Pag gusto may paraan, pag ayaw maraming dahilan. Uwi na. Safe riding everyone. Life's a highway, drive it safe. Pagdating sa bahay, pahinga na at bonding time with my kid. That's the best part. Thanks for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung first vlog ko. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Stay safe always, and see you in my next video. Life's a vlog. Keep it real and keep it fun. Peace out.